In this video, you will learn about one of many techniques that can aid in your wish manifestation journey of self-discovery. This manifestation technique is called water manifestation technique. It is based on the fact that water is a powerful energy informational conductor and possesses certain healing properties. It can really open up your inner wish manifesting abilities, help you find answers and give you an energy boost in achieving something that you wish to come true in your life. In simple terms, this technique adds a lot of power to your affirmations, and helps to program your body towards manifesting your wishes. To start with the technique, you will need a clean sheet of paper and a glass of water. Now write down your wish that you want to come true in the form of an affirmation. For example, if you want to attract a partner in your life, then you should write something like, "I am in the right place at the right time to meet my perfect partner. I am ready to give love and receive love. My life is filled with passion and romance." You don't have to use the same words in the affirmation. There are many affirmation lists on different topics online. It could be about getting a new job, acquiring financial independence, or even health-related affirmations including weight loss. You can just pick the field you want your wishes to come true and use the affirmation that resonates with you the most. Or you can write one yourself. Writing one yourself usually works much better because you involve your creative essence in the process. After you choose your affirmation, write it down on the sheet of paper and attach it to the glass of water. You can also just place your glass of water on top of the sheet of paper with the affirmation. Don't make the affirmation too long so you can easily remember it. The key is your intention and your ability to concentrate on the state of being described in your affirmation. Have some faith, feel as if this happened. In the next step, you need to activate the energy in your hands. One of the simplest ways to do it is to rub your palms against each other. This simple trick activates the energy flow in your hands. Now, place your palms around the glass of water. State the affirmation with your voice or silently in your mind. When you say it out loud, you actually give more power to the affirmation, simply because you involve your voice in the manifestation process. Now vividly visualize the state of being described in the affirmation while concentrating on sending your energy towards the water in the glass between your hands. Your energy flows where your attention goes. Thus, when you concentrate your energy on the glass of water while visualizing your wish and stating your affirmation, you are charging it with the thought form of your wish. Remember, water is a very powerful energy informational conductor. You can charge the water for as long as you feel comfortable, but don't overdo it. Usually, around 2 to 5 minutes is enough. Now, drink that glass of water. This whole process might sound silly, however, your bodies on the higher levels of consciousness do need to hear about your needs. This way they will be able to synchronize their energies with the work of your brain and heart, which will enlighten the direction you need to go in order to fulfill your wishes. Keep in mind that any kind of manifestation technique or creative visualization is just a template or a thought form that gives you a chance to interact with higher levels of consciousness more effectively. It is in no way a panacea for materializing all your selfish desires. You can practice this manifestation technique every morning or every evening before you go to sleep. As you might already know, many doctors advise drinking at least 1 glass of water every morning after you wake up. You can easily make this making a wish come true technique a part of your morning routine, or you can make it your everyday evening wish manifestation meditation. If you have more than one wish that you want to come true, then use a separate glass for each wish and make sure that nobody drinks from the glass you are using for the technique. If you want to add even more power to this technique, write the affirmation on the new moon and do it for the first 2 weeks. Certain wishes could take hours, days, weeks, or months. It all depends on their complexity and how much energy you have to manifest them. The power of your intention and its synchronicity with what your higher self wants are the keys to this manifestation technique. You charge the water with your intention, and when you drink the water you activate your whole body with that intention. As you might already know, the human body is about 60 to 75% water anyway. After you drink the water, your physical form gets charged with the intention of your wish. It is like placing a wish manifestation compass inside your body. It will guide you towards manifesting your wish if you are willing to listen and act in the right direction. This technique is very powerful. By directing your attention and energy through your hands towards the water in the glass, you localize and power up your intention to manifest what you wish for in your life. Water records the information you send it. After you drink the water, the energy informational particles spread all over your body, and tune your morphological field into emitting the intention you gave it. Water is a very gentle element, and it is easily influenced by the energy coming from your hands, even if you can't consciously sense it yet. If you are new to feeling the energy, don't worry, it will come with practice. Another important aspect of this manifestation technique is being true to yourself. You have to take full responsibility for your wishes and for the outcomes your thoughts or affirmations would bring. Your emotional energy state is vital to the success of this powerful manifestation technique. If you are wishing for something that you really need and it will help you realize your full potential, then this manifestation technique can really speed up the process of materializing the new reality where your wish is manifested.